Alright, today we're going to show you how to put the big wheel kit on the Aries Pathfinder. This will be for when you're in 15-inch pipe or larger. You want to start with the lift raised up a little bit so that these locking plates will fit in the holes that they need to fit into. Start by gently tilting your camera. Then you take half your big wheels. You want the grease nipple facing up. You're going to put these two holes over these two studs. You slide them down into place. Then you put your locking kit on. You have to have this ridge facing down so that it rides the Pathfinder correctly. You slide it on there, and then you loosely screw on two bolts to hold it into place. Now you flip your camera over, and you do the same thing with the other set of wheels. Nipple facing up. Get it on there and put your locking plate on. And then screw on two bolts to hold it into place. You want to leave these bolts loose so you have movement on the other side when you put the skid plate on. This skid plate will go on in this orientation. Just imagine that these two holes would be going over two bolts if they were there. Slide the plate on and screw on two bolts. And then you'll screw on your other two bolts. Grab your wrench and tighten down the bolts. You just need a snug. You don't have to over tighten anything. Do that to all four bolts. And then you'll flip it over and snug down these four bolts. After you snug those four bolts down, you're done.